Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Vimeo. Vimeo Inc. is an American video hosting, sharing, and service platform provider headquartered in New York City. It focuses on the delivery of high-definition video across a range of devices. In order to sign up for Vimeo, go and click open any web browser you want on your desktop or either your mobile web browser. It really does not matter, and the process is much more similar as well. As soon as you open your web browser, go ahead and type in www.vimeo.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Vimeo. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and click on this login button at the upper right corner and log into your account, entering your credentials. If you don't have an account yet and you would like to sign up, click on the join button at the upper right. In the text box, enter your first and last name, email address, and a password in order to sign up. Let's start by typing in my first name. Now, move on to the next field and type in a valid email address that you have an access to, and move on to the next box and type in a password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, and once you're sure you have typed in the correct password that you would like to use for the account, click on Join with Email. You can also join with your Google account. In order to do so, click on Join with Google, and you might need to enter your Google account's credentials in order to sign up. Once you've typed in all the information, click Join with Email, wait for a few seconds, and on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and answer some questions by selecting from the options. You can also choose to answer all the questions right now, or you can simply click on skip and skip the process for now. That is how you can easily sign up for Vimeo. Now you can go ahead and start a free trial or purchase to a plan right now by clicking on the links below. Enter your credit card's details by filling it in the text boxes, and finally click on start free trial. And that is how you can easily sign up for Vimeo. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.